A varied diet of nutrient-rich foods is essential to maintain our health. In this video, we will be introducing foods that are beneficial for our mental stability, fertility, and longevity. A relaxed mind goes a long way for our libido and sexual function to improve fertility. And reducing stress within our brain slows down the shortening of telomeres, which affects our aging pace. In order to stimulate brain cells in releasing mood-altering chemicals such as serotonin and dopamine, we need to rely on different combinations of compounds in food. Healthy fats are crucial to create and maintain cell membranes, which benefits the brain. Meanwhile, consuming enough protein daily enables our body to grow and repair itself. Therefore, we highly recommend including healthy fats such as nuts, avocado, fatty fish like tuna and salmon, and olive oil, and proteins such as lean meat, eggs, beans, tofu, nuts, and fatty fish in our diet. Besides healthy fats and proteins, consume fresh fruits, leafy greens, seeds, and whole grains for a balanced combination of nutrients. As a side note, certain foods can be more efficient in serving certain purposes. For example, seaweed, acai, and red apples are particularly good for telomeres. Bee products, goji berries, and sweet potatoes are highly beneficial for fertility. Cacao, which is a superfood like acai and goji berries, is efficient in reducing anxiety.